Hey everyone, Armin here from Hex. Today I want to walk you through a project that I put together using Snowflake and Hex to power large-scale genomic data exploration. I'll be looking at general population statistics as well as genomic disease associations tied to a specific disease of interest. Diving into this, I decided to look at type 2 diabetes, and I've gone ahead and already triggered my analysis. At this point, I can jump over to the Overview tab, and this gives me a high-level overview of the different samples I've taken, the chromosomes of interest tied to type 2 diabetes, and then also the position of the alleles or the loci found within those chromosomes. I can also pair this with some clinical significance, and interestingly enough, we see that chromosome 2 specifically indicates a high risk factor for type 2 diabetes, meaning there seems to be some sort of mutations that can happen around this chromosome. I can also pair this with location statistics to see if there's any geographical correlation. Diving a little bit deeper, I can look at the specific chromosome range or the allele range at chromosome 2. We can see here it's indicating that, hey, yes, there in fact is a large risk factor here in positions from 20 million to 25 million. Maybe we want to hone in on this if we're doing some localized testing or net new drug discovery or patient outcomes after certain drugs. I can also search some specific disease names if I would like in this app. I can filter this and actually provide some lightweight exploration on top. So if I had a very hyper-specific disease tied to type 2 diabetes, I can do some further exploration as well. And lastly, here we have the allele statistics. Very, very important to have a nice diverse set for a sample size. And interestingly enough, we actually see some very low allele frequencies in chromosome 8, specifically at this specific position. This can maybe indicate some genetic drift, recent mutations, maybe some population migrations. All to say, some further exploration could be required here, and something we can dive a little bit deeper in to get a better understanding of what's going on. If you'd like to explore this project yourself, I'll be sharing a link below. And remember that this entire project was backed by Snowflake, specifically snowpark, where we actually power and compute 17 billion rows across 3 different tables using an XLarge warehouse, all exposed in a nice, friendly front-end experience via this Hex app. Thanks for watching.